So Mr. Brem, good to see you again. You just announced Industrial Operation X. How will Siemens accelerate Industrial Operation X portfolio impact the future of manufacturing?
Well, I think, first of all, Industrial Operation X for us is the way how we bring IT and OT together.
Right.
I mean, that's all about Industrial Operation X. To make decisions more faster, to enable our customers to be more productive, be faster on market, be more sustainable, and work against the lack of labor. And that's basically the topic. How we do that, we very much using IT technology on the shop floor. And we use IT technology for programming, for example, our PLC. We more go into software defined. For example, we announced the virtual PLC. We are going more data centric. We have a lot of AI use cases leveraging data, and we're thinking in ecosystems. So we just announced, for example, that Festo is joining Industrial Edge ecosystem because we believe the future can only be achieved working together very closely in an open system.
Love the collaboration aspect. Maybe if you double click a little bit about which customer will be the first targets for that. What are you targeting after? Small to mid-size, larger?
Oh yeah, okay. I think basically the logic of Siemens is a little bit a Lego block, a Lego brick thing, yeah? So you have take this one, and this applies for all different customers. I think it's more small, mid-sized customers under the aspect you don't need to buy big monolithic systems.
Right.
You pick and choose what fits for your application, number one. Number two, if you look at big optimization use cases, it probably goes more into big plants, like here we're standing in front of battery. You're going to use a lot of IT technologies, but more in a holistic way, or having an end-to-end optimization. And that probably more goes into bigger customers. So I couldn't say the size of customer, more why we want to do things and how we solve the problems. And there's a lot of offering already there. And if it's not there, the system is so open, the platform is so open that there hopefully are bright minds around the world which can contribute to solve problems.
Right, now there are some companies that may not even have an IT, may rely on third party, or the owner may be the CIO. How does Siemens help with that through this ecosystem?
Sorry, didn't get the question.
How does Siemens or partners in the ecosystem help with customers that may not even have a CIO? Because you're talking about IT, which is very...
Yeah. So what we want to do is, we want to package and make those IT things easy. Yeah, that's very important. And I give you one example. We have there a robot and we want to apply AI on a certain application. You don't need to have any clue about AI. You have your HMI panel, you show a picture, say good, not good, good, not good, with 6 images, good and bad, and you press a button and there is a neural network be generated, it's going to be downloaded to the controller, done. So without any IT infrastructure, you can use complex technologies, yeah? Cybersecurity is now built in the PLCs. You're going to have key management, which needs to be very easy. So that needs to be the goal of all industrial companies, using this technology and make it applicable very easily without having a big IT infrastructure, yeah?
Love that aspect of democratization of the technology, whether AI in a HMI or cybersecurity built by design in a PLC.
Built by design, yeah.
Appreciate the opportunity and the insights. Thank you.
Thank you.